And we've now completed day 10 of the North Dakota trial against the U.S. government. The state is suing the U.S. for the Dakota Access Pipeline protest damages, which amounted to $38 million. KX News' Mary Gutenkopf explains what happened in the courtroom today.
The state called to witness two different accounting experts who evaluated the costs that the state incurred during the protests. Holly Gogler served in North Dakota's Office of Adjutant General during the DAPL protests. She oversaw all state accounting and payroll and also kept track of all DAPL-related expenses. Gogler explained the different expenses the state incurred, such as payroll for the North Dakota National Guard and travel expenses. In the cross-examination, Gogler said the state is now seeking to recover the full purchase price of items bought during the protest. However, many of these items continue to be used by the state after the protests. The state also heard from Ron Tolstad, an accountant and auditor. He says he spent over 300 hours looking over the numbers that North Dakota has listed as expenditures. Tolstad says the numbers are sound and his numbers matched up with the state's. Governor Doug Burgum weighed in on the expenses that the state has incurred through the process, saying that North Dakota picked up the tab for federal law enforcement, and they haven't paid us back.
It sounds by all measures that the North Dakota case is very strong, and the federal case is very weak. And so, from that standpoint, I'm optimistic that we're going to have a positive outcome coming out of federal court for the state of North Dakota and our taxpayers, who shouldn't have to pick up the bill when the federal government doesn't enforce its own laws.
Reporting for KX News, I'm Mary Gutenkopf.
Gogler also said that as of May 2018, the remaining balance that the state owed to the Bank of North Dakota for loans taken out to cover the DAPL protests was around $12 million. This is about $26 million less than what the state is asking for from the U.S. government.